Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में admissions open.
France welcomed Chinese President Xi Jinping on Sunday as he began his Europe tour with a list of agendas. However, Tibetans in Paris took to the streets against Jinping's visit to France, with hundreds of demonstrators from Tibet and Xinjiang gathered to highlight the concerns over human rights abuses in these regions due to the Communist Party of China's dominance in Tibet. The campaigners have vowed to protest throughout Jinping's two-day visit to draw attention to government oppression in Tibet and mass detentions in the northern region of Xinjiang. While expressing their anger over Jinping's arrival in France, the demonstrators, holding banners and flags, stated that the Tibetans see his visit as a slap from President Emmanuel Macron. The group, Students for a Free Tibet, staged protests next to Arc de Triomphe, urging President Macron to denounce the increasingly brutal Chinese ruler during his visit to Europe. The demonstrators have alleged that the situation in Tibet has deteriorated under Xi, and thus Macron just broached the subject of human rights in his talks with his Chinese counterparts. Significantly, in his first visit to Europe in 5 years, Xi Jinping kick-started his tour to Europe on Sunday in the backdrop of mounting trade disputes with the European Union and to discuss Russia's war in Ukraine. Macron is believed to be discussing the reduction of trade imbalances and using his influence with Russia over the war in Ukraine. Macron's key priority is to warn the Chinese president of the dangers of backing Vladimir Putin's war in Ukraine, as the West is concerned that Russia might be using Chinese machine tools in arms production. Since Jinping is a strong ally of Putin, Europe is seeking to use the Chinese president's influence to stop the war in Ukraine, which has been going on for more than 2 years now. On the other hand, Jinping's key priority is to avert a trade war with Europe, potentially its second in the West after the US. The president intends to counter a series of trade investigations by the European Union into Chinese companies, including an anti-subsidy probe into Chinese electric vehicle companies. Experts believe that China cannot afford the closure of the European market to Chinese companies, after already facing the same in the United States. However, the main question is whether President Xi would be successful in altering the current trajectory of Europe-China relations.